Let's see the snow. Woo-ha! Ah, winter wonderland. Oh, it's still falling. Oh wow! Ah, look. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's 5:30 in the morning in Toronto. I have to get up early because my work starts at 7 o'clock. And I have to brave the snow. Ooh, we have a snow alert, snow warning, about 35 centimeters of snow today. And it will be falling the whole night and the whole day. Look at that. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Woo. It's deep. I'm still here in front of my house. The cars are covered in snow. My car is in the garage, and but the thing is, I'm scared because my car is low. My car is low. It might not do well in the snow today, so I'm thinking maybe my husband will just bring me to my work. Probably. Papa? Think the snow is too high. What do you think?
No.
Yeah.
May stuck ka. Bakit kailangan mo?
Si wag na. Okay, wag na. So now, linis naman ang kotse. Wow! Oh my! It's so kapal. Ang kapal, oh. My husband will give me a ride because my car will not do. That's why here in Canada you need a big car, a reliable car. My car is reliable, but the height is not reliable. So magkikisakay na lang ako ngayon, magpapahatid at magpapasundo din kasi hindi kaya ng sasakyan ko to. And to think na the whole day it will still continue to fall, madami pa, kaya mas makapal pa. Baka may stuck lang ako sa daan, baka may stuck lang ako sa highway at hindi ako makaalis. So yun ang problema pag mababa ang sasakyan mo, no? Hindi kaya ang snow na ganito kakapal. Think na it's early in the morning, so mostly hindi pa, untouched pa yung mga snow, masyadong makapal. Woohoo! Winter wonderland. Okay, Papa, clean your car. See that? Kapal. Let's see, how many inches would that be? Maybe 4 inches now. Already at 5:30 in the morning. Oh ho ho! It's winter wonderland. So yeah, magpapahatid na lang ako kasi hindi kakayanin talaga ng aking sasakyan. Ayan ang sasakyan ko, ganyan lang kataas. So for sure lubog yan sa snow. This ang sasakyan niya is SUV. She's driving an SUV. Malaki-laki ang gulong. Oh, look at the snow here. Yun ang kakapal ang snow. Okay. Okay, kasakay na. Ang neighbor. Nagpapaandar na rin ng kotse ang neighbor. Woohoo! It's gonna be an enjoyable ride. Enjoyable drive today. Okay, this is how the road looks like. What? Look at that car. You have to be careful in the turns. See how slow that car is, because his car is low also, same as my car. That's why. See, that car when turning is having a hard time. What's going on there? They're salting the road, salting the pathway. Are they salting the pathway?
Clearing the...
Okay, look at that. They're clearing the pathway now. So that's the maintenance from the city government of Toronto. As early as this, before 6 o'clock, they're clearing the pathway. This is the early morning drive, my friends, with I think about 5 inches already of snow on the ground, and the snow will be falling the whole day still. We are now in the main road. Let's see. Oh, still. Oh, I want to see if the road has been cleared by the snow plow, which I think is not. No, not yet. So this is the main road, and there is a lot of snow. Where's Papa's? Easy, easy, easy. Turning is the difficult thing here, but there is snow, because you might slide in turning. That's the snow plow. It's going somewhere. Oh, there's another snow plow. So the snow plowers will be busy the whole day until tomorrow. Oh, see the pile of snow. There's mountain of snow already on the side. Monday, today is January 17. Yeah, January 17. So here are the snow plows. I'll show you.
The big ones.
These are the big snow plows on the road right now. There. 2 snow plows are standing by, and they will start working. There's a lot of work for them to do today. This is a busy intersection. I am at Shepherd and Allen Road, a busy intersection. And see the snow. This is the early morning commute. My drive from my house to my work is just about 15 minutes when the road is clear and in the early morning. But now maybe double that time. So it's going to be about maybe 25 minutes or 30 minutes right now because of the snow. Because you cannot drive fast. Okay, there's something here. One car is what, stalled, or there's one car stalled already on the road. I hope not, but you know, when there's snow falling, there's hundreds of accidents on the highway. So I hope today there's not that much. We're almost there. The road is still okay, although we should really be careful in driving. And I had to ride with my husband today. Papa's there driving because my car is too low. For sure it's going to be scraping the snow, and it's you pity your car when the bottom is scraping the snow. So we are safe in going and driving, but Papa still has to drive going to his work today. Thank you for the ride, Papa. Papa, thank you for the ride. He said.